Let me be honest. A lot of people want to become a social media manager because it looks like posting cute content and getting paid. But let me shock you. If you don't understand business goals, you will struggle. Hi, my name is Blessing. I run a social media agency and I've worked with different brands across different niches. And in this video, I will break down what the job really is, the skills you must have, the fastest path for beginners, and what to ignore. So let's get to it. What is really the job of a social media manager? A social media manager is not just a poster, you are more like a mini marketing partner. Your real job is to help a brand get results like more visibility, more trust, more leads, more sales, and even more engagement. And yes, while doing all of this, you will create content, but you will also think about strategy, audience, and why a post should exist in the first place. If you can connect content to results, you are already ahead. Number two, skills that you must have as a social media manager. You don't need to know everything to start, but you must know these things. Strategy basics. Know how to choose content pillars and plan weekly content. Know how to choose content pillars and plan weekly content. The second skill that you must have is copywriting skill. If your words cannot sell, your design will suffer. You must learn basic copywriting skill. Another skill is basic design or content direction. You don't have to be a full designer, but you should know what good looks like. Another skill is analytics. You must be able to answer this question: what is working and what is not? Another skill is communication. Clients pay for clarity and confidence, not confusion. Here's the shortcut people don't like hearing. You need practice and not motivation. So let me teach you this simple plan. Step one, pick one niche you can understand very fast. It could be food, could be beauty, could be fashion, could be real estate, clinics, anything. Step two, create a mock brand. Yes, I mean a fake brand. Step three, build a mini portfolio. So the mini portfolio could have something like 9 posts, 3 reels ideas with scripts, 1 content calendar, and 1 short strategy page. Step 4. Post it as proof of work and start pitching. This shows that you can think, plan, and execute. That's what gets you your first client. Number 4. What are the things to ignore? The first trap to ignore if you are planning to be a social media manager is waiting to be perfect before you start. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know it all. Trap 2, learning 20 tools before learning the basics. No. Trap 3, copying trends with no goal. Trap 4, undervaluing your work. And this is because cheap pricing attracts stressful clients. Social media management is strategy plus execution. So you need to learn these core skills. You need to build a simple portfolio and then you can start pitching and grow from there. So what do you do right now? If you want me to share episode 2 where I break down the exact daily task of a social media manager, subscribe and drop a comment saying episode 2 and I will share episode 2 with you right away. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.